Okay, good morning year one. Here we are, back at home again. But we're gonna make the most of it, just like we did last time. You all did a fantastic job last time, so let's do the same this time, and hopefully this is just for a little short while and we'll be back soon, okay? So today we're gonna do a little bit of revision of some different types of addition and multiplication, and we're gonna be using this number balance scale to help us. And what we need to remember is whatever is on each side of the equal sign, whatever numbers are on this side and whatever numbers are on this side, they need to add up or subtract or multiply or divide to equal the same thing on both sides, okay? So we're gonna start off really easy. We're gonna be using the number balance game. I've put it on your seesaw counts and I want you to have a go. I'm gonna start off with some very easy examples. So of course here we have nothing on this side and we have a 1 and a 5 on this side. So I'm gonna write that out as a number set. So I have nothing equals 1 plus 5. So I've got nothing equals 1 plus 5, and I've written that in my whiteboard. And what I wanted to find out is I want to find out this number. Now I need to remember, all that I need to know is this number, whatever's on this side, has to be the same as this. So if I know what's here, I can work out what's going to go here. So of course I know 5 plus 1 is 6. So I'm going to put my 6 on. Nice easy one to start off with. 5 plus 1 is 6. All we have to do is simply take one of the little blue pegs and put them on 6. And when I put that on 6, the scale should straighten up so it's equal, so it's perfectly straight, showing that it's equal on both sides. Yes, 6 equals 5 plus 1, and don't forget that's exactly the same as 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, we'll do another one of those. So this time we have 7 and a 1, so I'm going to write that as a number sentence. I would do the same if I was you when you come on to doing your own. 7 add 1 equals, got 7 add 1 equals whatever is on this side. So 7 add 1, another nice easy one. 7 add 1 makes 8. So I'm going to take one of my number pegs and stick it onto the number 8. And the scale, as you see, balances out. Now I'm going to come back out of this. So that was level 1. I've just shown you just simple addition, which is very easy for all of us. Level 2 has some missing number addition questions on it. Okay, so here we have a 6 on one side, and we have a 10 on the other side. And as you can see, the 10 is lower down than the 6. We need to add some more to this side to make it equal to 10. So I'm going to change that. 6 plus something equals 10. I'm going to put a little line there. 6 adds something equals 10. Lots of you will know that off by heart because that's a number one, and you will just say 6 add 4 equals 10. If you didn't know that, don't forget, put the first number in your head and count on till you get to your answer. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to add on 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. So I'll take one of my pegs and I will stick that onto 4. And as you should see, this scale has balanced. Okay, we'll do one more of those. This time we've got 5 plus something equals 7. So 5 plus something equals 7. I've written up my number sentence. 5 plus mysterious number equals 7. How many more do I need? 5, 6, 7. I had to count on 2. So I will take my number peg, my blue peg, sorry, and I will put it on the number 2 because 5 add 2 equals 7. I'm going to come back out of it. We'll have a go of level 3. Level 3, as you'll see, we've got a few pegs on this one. We haven't just got the 2. So we have 3 on one side, and we have on the other side of the equal sign, we have a 2 and a 10. So 3 plus something equals 2 and 10. Well, we know 10 add 2 equals 12. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to say 3 add something equals 12, because we know that makes 12. Now that we know that makes 12, we know we're trying to get to 12. So we've got 3. How many more do we need to get to 12? Well, we're going to simply count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I had to add on 9 more. So 3 plus 9 equals 12. And I'm going to put my 9 on here. And my scale should balance out because I will have 12 on both sides. Yes. 9 plus 3 is the same as 10 plus 2 because they both equal 12. It basically means 12 equals 12. Okay, let's have another one of these. Let's rub this one out. We have 10 plus 3 equals, so 10 plus 3 on this side equals 5 on this side. Now, what is 10 plus 3? That's a nice easy one. Don't even need to work it out. I've got one set of 10 and 3 ones. I have 13. So 13 equals 5 add something. So I've worked out 10 plus 3 was 13. And I want to make 5 plus something to get to 13. Now, this is just spun around. All I need to know is I've got 5. I want to get to 13. So I'm going to count on from 5 up to 13. So put that 5 in my head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I had to add on 8 fingers, so 5 plus 8 equals 13. So I'm going to have to take my peg and put it on my 8, and when I do that, it should balance out the scale because it's the same on both sides. Okay, let's go and try level 4. Now, level 4 has some multiplication in it. I think it's all counting in twos, which we know how to do, so we should be able to solve it. Let's have a go of that one. Let's rub this out off this whiteboard to get it all ready for the next question. We did some of these in class last week, guys, just on the carpet, but this will give you a chance to have a go of some yourself on your iPad or on your computer at home, okay? And you can even practice out writing the number sentences out, because that makes it even more challenging for you, okay? So we have 2 blocks. It says 2 times 7, so we've got 2 blocks of 7, and we have a 9 here. So I'm going to say that I've got 2 times 7. So the first bit, I've got 2 times 7, or 7 times 2. And I've got equals 9. Now we know, because the scale's not balanced, 2 times 7 isn't 9. 2 times 7 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9, but that's a multiplication sign. 2 times 7 is 9. I need to work out what 2 times 7 is. Now I want to do 7 times 2. Some of you might know double 7 already. If you don't, just work it out by counting up in twos. So you do 7 add 7, or count in twos 7 times. I'm going to count in twos 7 times. So I've got 7 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 2 times 7 was 14. Now I've got 14 equals 9. Now we all know that 14 is not the same as 9. So we need to find out if we need to add anything more to this to get to 9. So 9 add something equals 14. I've got 9. I'm going to count on until I get to 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I had to add on 5. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. Now that side's already fine because that is 14. So we need to put our 5 on the other side. And when we do that, the scale will balance out because it will be equal on both sides. Yep, we'll do one more of those. And then I will leave you to it to have a go of have a little explore yourselves. So this time I have 7 sets of 2 again. So I'm going to say 7 times 2 equals 8 plus something. I've got 2 sets of 7, or 7 sets of 2, equals 8 add something. Now, we already knew that. We worked that out last time. We got 14. So 14 equals 8. We know that 14 doesn't equal 8. So 8 plus what? What's the mysterious number? I'll do a question mark here. 8 plus what gets me to 14? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I had to add on 6 this time. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So I need to add my 6 to here. And the scale will balance. So guys, best of luck for those. Have a go of whatever you're up to. If level 1 and 2 are very easy, so I'd mainly concentrate on 3 and 4. But anything you do will be good practice on it. So have good fun on it. Helps us understand, helps you with your problem solving. Okay, so best of luck. Shout out to Hugo and Anish, lovely photo boys of you two working. Thank you for Jonty for sending me a lovely photo. You're wearing a seriously snazzy shirt. And thank you for the video, Ian. Okay, I'll do some more shout outs later on. Okay, bye bye.